So guys, now we are in Turkish culture, and I'm giving you the exact Turkish culture. And if you want more, and if you want to learn more about the Turkish history, if you want to more about the Turkey, you have to visit the Ertugrul, all the parts, with all the seasons and with all the episodes, season 1, season 2 and season 3. And then Ertugrul will give you the actual pictorial gallery of the whole Turkish civilization and what the Turks and why they govern more than the 78% or 82% of the world as they are governing. So now we are watching their culture and we are watching their history. And if you want more, and you have to watch Ertugrul series of National Urdu TV or at Urdu 1 TV. So this was the culture of Turkey. So these are their style of buildings, these are their style of ornaments and different type of these are their special balls. This is the current style of their buildings, houses. Sorry. Now you are seeing their traditional music instruments, their traditional uniforming dresses for male, for female, for the elder one and for the older one. And behind you are watching their current building styles and old building styles now. And here are their domestic living style, and this is their village culture. And you're watching it, their ornaments, their dressings, different type of woven things. The biggest story of Turkey, the great Maulana Rum and Shah Shams Tabrizi behind their Darbar of Maulana Rum, according to their visuals. It is present in Konya, Turkey. And then the internal part of their graveyard and the internal part of their mazar of Maulana Rum and their guider Shah Shams Tabrizi. The Turkish civilization, when the Ottoman Empire was ruling and Ottoman Empire was working properly throughout the world, and they were governing more than 87% of the world. So this is all the Turkish blog. I want to give you some information about that all. And as you are watching all this, and this was me, Professor M.A. Raza, the motivational speaker, leadership business coach, master trainer and language trainer. So let me go now and say with me, say, do something for humanity.